Have you ever dreamed of working from home? No boss yelling. No traffic wasting your time. Now picture this. Earning dollars from your laptop. Right inside your room. Sounds unreal? That's freelancing. Long ago, success meant one thing. Get a job. Wait for your paycheck. End of story. But today, the internet changed everything. Now you can sell your skills to the entire world. Freelancing is not just a job. It's freedom. Freedom to choose your time. Freedom to choose your clients. Freedom to set your income by yourself. But let's be real. It's not always easy. There's competition. There are days when income goes down. Still, with patience, with passion, and with consistency, you can build a strong personal brand. And soon, clients will come searching for you. So how do you begin? Step 1. Find your skill. Step 2. Build a portfolio. Step 3. Join platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Step 4. Market yourself on social media. Freelancing isn't just work. It's a lifestyle. The best time to start was years ago. The second best time is today. So don't wait. Start now.